Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 2 question number 24. Let P be a partial order defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4 as follow. P equals to x, x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, union 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. The number of total order on 1, 2, 3, 4 that contain P is dash. Before solving this question, first understand what is total order. In total order, every two elements are comparable. If S and there is some relation is a post set and every two elements of S are comparable, S called total order or linear order set or total order, or you can say simply linear order. Okay, so if every two elements are comparable, then we can say it's a total order. So according to P, 1 is comparable to 2, 3 is comparable to 2, 3 is comparable to 4. 3 should become before 2 and 4, 1 should come before 2, right? So if we'll draw, it will look like this. 1 is related to 2, 3 is related to 2, 3 is related to 4. So we need to write total order in such a way 1, 3 should be before 2 and 3 should be before 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 1 is before 2 and 3 is before 4. Yes, this is fine. Then 3, 1, 4, 2. Okay. So 1 and 3 are before 2, 3 is before 4. This also fine. 3, 1, then 2, 4, 4, 2. These are two total order set. Then 1, 3. 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2. These are another two total order set. Next 3, 4. 3 should be before 4, then 1, 2. 3, 1 are before 2. So there are total 5 total order set. 3, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, then 3, 4, 1, 2. So we did 3, 4, 1, 2. Can we do 1, 2, 3, 4? 3 should come before 2. Here 3 is coming after 2. That's why this is not possible. So 3, 4, then 1, 2. This is possible. So there are total 5 total orders according to P. Answer will be 5. I already discussed partial order, total order during lecture. Just go through lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.